Hello and assalamualaikum guys. Welcome back to our channel. I hope you guys are doing well and all being fine and our family's safe and sound. But today we'll be making sausage and cheese corn dog. This recipe right here is a recipe that I've actually learned. So this recipe is going to be super scrumptious and quick. So let's get this bad boy started. So guys, our first step is to make our batter. So for this first step, you're going to get your flour and your bowl. Next up, we're going to get our salt and sugar. I'm going to crack an egg. Got it. Oh, yeah. Got it. This time, no cracks.
Yeah, no shells. Hold on. Oh wait. Oh no.
Now guys, we're gonna add milk. Next up, we're going to get your whisker right here. You're gonna mix the whisker here, but also you must be careful while you're mixing because you don't want to make a mess like how I did.
No.
What are you looking at?
I don't know. Alright guys, next up we're going to get your glass here. Mainly because you're going to be putting this batter inside the glass, and you'll see why we are going to do this. Now guys, it's time to drink this.
What?
Just kidding, you don't drink this.
Fight!
Now guys, it's time to get your skewers right here. Now guys, we're gonna get our skewer and you're gonna get a piece of sausages and cheese. Alright, look guys, this is how you put your sausages in your skewers. You need to poke it right in the middle. Do you see that? There we go. Look at that, I could eat this.
Oh no, you can't. That is raw.
LOL!
Yeah. Now guys, I'm going to show you how to poke the cheese inside the skewers. So I'm going to poke it right in the middle. And then... Now guys, this is how your skewers should look like. So you see the sausages and the cheese right here. And you know for the rest here, it's actually the same. All you need to do is you need to get out the skewers again and get a sausage and the cheese and poke it right inside and done. And I'm gonna get my sisters to also help me because there are a lot of them. So. Okay guys, next up is that you're going to get your skewers right here and your batter. The main reason is because you're going to dip it in here. The batter needs to reach up to the end part of your sausage, and I'm going to demonstrate it. And then this is when you stop it. That. And then after that, yeah, you're going to carefully, and then you're going to get it with your bread crumbs, and you're going to like get it around. And there you go. And you're going to put it here. And that should be the same with the rest. Now guys, it's time to go to our stove. So you also need to bring your skewers. So first of all, yeah, you're gonna get your oil, yeah, and obviously add them in here. And you must leave the oil to heat up for 2 to 3 minutes before you add.
No, you need more oil. This is not curry. We're literally frying these.
I know.
You need to fill the bowl, fill that pan with oil.
Oh, I think that adds too much.
Nope, you need to add more. That's not enough.
Oh my gosh, I never knew that in a sausage roll you need too much oil.
Yeah, you need to fry this. I think we need to fill up.
I think it's gonna taste. Okay guys, we just left our oil for 2 to 3 minutes and now it's ready. So this part here, you're gonna have to be, this is the most dangerous part because you need to be careful. So what you're gonna do, instead of like throwing it in here, you're going to dip it in. By the way, I'm also gonna get my mom, just in case if I need her help. Mom is showing me how to put it in.
Gently, can you see?
Yeah, I can see it. Careful.
And then let go.
Oh, alright. That should be simple.
Right hand. Slowly, gently.
Yeah, hold me.
Let go. There we go. The next one. Again, gently.
Yes, and I'm going
You don't want to splat because it's really hot.
like this video, yeah, and I don't know about you, yeah, but this recipe is beautiful.